What did it make last time?
Could make more.
What did it make last time?
Like 905.
Yeah, I'm gonna say 1027.
Probably pick up 3 pounds of boost.
1027, and then I think it'll be close to 1200 once we get the. Wow, 1200 once we get the intake.
Yeah.
That's my guess.
Yeah.
Oh, live.
Live.
Yes, live on Mr. WIKD. All right, guys, I hope you guys are ready. We are going for 1,000 horsepower in the Blackwing project with a stock airbox because ours isn't done yet. We're 3D printing it and it's like a 20+ hour print, but we need to do this live stream. So 1,000 horsepower, y'all are gonna see it live. Live stream, 1,000 horsepower. Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all have heard this thing yet. The blower with this billet lid from High PSI absolutely screams. Screams. Tiny pulley on it. We got the smooth boost controller so we can turn the boost up and down on the fly. We are using our hub dynos for this one because it would just blow the tires off on our all-wheel drive Mustang dyno. What are you thinking?
1064.
1064. Hey, cameraman.
What's up? 1,000. Exactly.
1,000 on the dot.
Rango, what do you think?
A gazillion. Let's do it. Horsepower guess, Michael?
1150.
1150. Steve?
1002.
1002.
Let's go.
Well, that was fast.
Yeah, that was super
Hell yeah. 1,012. Zach. 1,012.
It was the air filter.
It went from like 10 pounds to 16 pounds.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Oh, yeah. 1,012.
1,012.
Oh, 1,005. Hey, still over 1,000. Still over 1,000.
Back to back.
1,000 horsepower. Give me some. Give me some. Well, there you have it. That didn't take long at all. Oh yeah. Yes. And we will do another live stream after we have an actual intake on this car, because I think we'll pick up a good like 3 pounds of boost after we get the new intake on. It's not over yet. We're gonna get this car off. Next up, WS6.
We gotta scroll down. Grab the bar and drag it up. Yeah, because that's the old drum. Yeah.
Thoughts?
Damn. I don't think we should do that anymore.
Yeah.
I think we're kind of at the limit now. Brother! 1357!
You know you were saying it didn't feel all that fast? This thing's about to be...
I can tell on the dyno, it's like, blah! Like it's feeling it now.
This thing's about to be fucking nuts.
When I was building the fucking charge system, it was only supposed to make 800.
That's crazy. Mr. YouTube.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, you can hold it.
Rango, would you care to explain why it's not symmetrical in the back? Why is the engine offset a little bit?
I've actually been studying this the past 3 years.
I don't know.
You see the reason behind that
Uh-huh.
is the person in the passenger seat is usually a little heavier. So the
Okay.
offset to execute the plan I had as I tried to execute the words in my head, it didn't come out very well. And we're not going to use
lots of words.
We're not going to use any of this
Probably
in
not.
our Wicked Wednesday.
Probably not. Hint at our other video. Kind of explains a little bit. Do this.
Right here. Go check out where, we tune the Blackwing.
Yeah.
Wait, which video are we talking about?
Not your grandpa's caddy.
Oh, not your grandpa's caddy.
Yeah. Jack's idea.
This is not your grandpa's caddy.
This is not your grandpa's caddy.
This thing freaking rips.
Yes, it does. It does.
I'll play the video of Thomas leaving the last car meet.
Do this.
Right here.
On your face.
On my face. Right here.
Yeah, there you go.
Does that work?
Yeah, it works. Nick, how you feeling this morning?
Rejuvenated.
Rejuvenated.
Stop for a second and look at our shirts.
Yeah.
Now pan around to yourself.
Let's see if this works.
What? What was that?
That was pretty sick.
Hey,
It's got sports mode too.
you see the backs? Check them out.
Back.
Get yours
We're all
at
wearing the same
boltmotorsports.com.
shirt.
And his.
They're not available
And
at
Steve's.
boltmotorsports.com. I like this one.
Whoa.
Those are.
Jack, keep talking about it.
Hey, what do you know about McLarens?
How much?
Not much. Yeah, to tune them.
Those wheels are.
That's crazy. That's pretty sick. What?
Right here. Let's go, baby.
Let's go, baby. Dude, that engine bay is
Love
so clean.
1,000 in that thing, and it's dirty.
Talking about that Cybertruck?
Hell.
It's like a 2.
This guy?
Oh, 1 of 50.
1 of 50? That's crazy.
Back to a segment with Mr. Steve here. Steve, what do you think about these cars?
What cars? I think they're black. One of them is Blackwing. They're both fast. They leave 11s everywhere they go.
That is true.
Which one would you drive?
I want to drive the Blackwing. I haven't driven it since like the final tuning. Yeah, somebody asked like, why would you need 1,000 horsepower in a 4-door Cadillac family sedan with a 6-speed manual transmission? I was like, maybe you're running late for soccer practice.
Yeah. Well,
maybe you have 2 minutes to get to the dry cleaners before they close. Exactly.
It's a whole sport in itself to be able to go get groceries and then pick up the kids from soccer all in a matter of 30 minutes.
Yeah.
They flow good. Oh, we're not level.
Bro, what?
Oh, well. About 58, 56, 58 or so.
What is this?
Fuel injector testing.
Oh, really?
No. So it's cleaning / testing to make sure that they're flowing
I was
correctly.
trying to get a second to come up with something cool.
Don't put that in the video.
Oh, okay.
No,
Adam, what is it?
No, I was gonna mess with you, not the video.
Okay.
56. Yeah, they're all 56.
Can you run the test again?
Yeah, that's what I
As long
was.
as it's made for yeah. And you go like that, and you just drain it back into the tank.
Whoa.
That's cool. All right, isn't that cool?
Are you gonna do the leak test?
Yeah, I'm gonna try the leak test real quick.
Yeah, that's number 7.
It was 7
Yeah. Double check me, but I thought that's what I saw in the book.
for a minute. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
1 minute.
Look at that, Nick. You can just adjust the pressure with the belt or the button press, and it's holding pressure in the rail, testing for leakage on the injectors.
That's pretty sick.
Right? That's hot. I like that.
Is this new?
Yeah.
Today.
Today.
Accelerating.
Whoa.
Okay, that's sick.
Yo.
Shift.
That's the pulse on it.
Shift.
That's sick.
Where's Nick at? He's missing this shit.
This thing works just fine.
All even?
Little bit of difference. So we got 80 on the far left, 84 on 2 and 3, and 82 on the far right.
And I'm like, shift. You're gonna blow it up.
Yeah. So if they're really bad, stick them in there, set it for 30 minutes, and let it run them.
Yeah. I always had issues with is every time we're going to look for injectors or something, we find some that are like the modified ones. You know.
Never know.
You don't know what the flow rate is. I have no idea what the flow rate is. Kind of sucks to drain out. Put them in the right direction. No, I would accept
Too. Oh no, you got it.
then like the dishwasher breaks and I fix the damn dish.
Oh fuck yeah, that one's not even doing anything.
One on the left.
Yeah.
Right? You get lost in it. You get lost. Don't stare too long. You'll be here until 6.
if this guy's okay with filming, but this is so cool. I thought this was a joke.
What are we looking at?
I know.
He can rev his car from his keychain.
No way.
Yes.
What are you talking
Wait,
about?
that's actually sick.
This is the new Dark Horse feature. It's for his keychain.
That is insane, man. That's so dope.
Look at the color on that thing, too.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's kind of purple.
Yeah, it's got like a root beer flake in it, man. It's got root beer flake.
Oh yeah, like the.
It's a hard color to photograph, you know?
Yeah.
You see the paint on that thing?
Oh, that thing's sick.
It's so flaky.
I about broke my neck when he drove by earlier when I was walking
It's
around.
like a bass boat.
Yeah, it does look like a bass boat, yeah.
Yeah, there's like the hint of brown. What year is this?
Yeah, I did.
2024?
Yeah, 24.
With the matching seats?
Yeah.
No way.
Let me see.
Oh, yeah.
Is he taking it to the track?
Look at the seats.
So I did G2 Motorsports with this, and then I did Charlotte Motor Speedway at the Ford Performance Race School. So Ford sends you the race school when you buy one.
I've heard about that. They
It was
do
cool,
it with
man.
the Raptors too. They got like a Raptor.
Yeah, they have one in
school.
Utah where you go off road and stuff. So
Hey, I appreciate you showing us around the
hey
car.
man, that's cool. I appreciate it.
It's nice to meet you.
Thanks for letting us film it.
No worries, dude.
Winston Churchill.
Who's that? Wait. Who's Winston Churchill?
Who do you think Winston Churchill is?
Winston Churchill. Is he an actor?
He's a car guy.
No.
He did very important things.
Is he friends with Morgan Freeman?
That's a good one. I like that.